How to install a window air conditioner.
Welcome to our presentation on installing a window air conditioner. In this guide, we will walk you through the process, providing step-by-step instructions to help you install your unit with ease. Step 1, selecting the right location. Choose a suitable window with an electrical outlet nearby. Ensure no space to accommodate the air conditioner. Consider any obstructions or window accessories. Step 2, measuring the window. Measure the window opening accurately to ensure proper fit. Account for any obstructions or window accessories. Step 3, preparing the window. Clean the window and remove any obstacles. Apply with a stripping to seal any gaps around the window. Step 4, assembling the installation kit. Follow the manufacturer's instructions to assemble the kit. Typical kit includes mounting brackets and foam insulation strips. Step 5, installing the mounting brackets. Attach the mounting brackets to the windowsill frame as directed. These brackets provide support for the air conditioner. Step 6, installing the foam insulation strips. Lay foam insulation strips to the bottom of the sash and along the sides of the window opening. These strips help seal gaps and create a snug fit. Step 7, lifting and positioning the air conditioner. With assistance, lift the air conditioner, carefully place it in the window opening. Ensure it sits securely on the mounting brackets. Step 8, extending the side panels. Pull out the adjustable side panels to fill gaps on the sides of the window. Create a tight seal for the air conditioner. Step 9, securing the air conditioner. Use provided screws or brackets to secure the air conditioner to the window frame or sash. Follow the manufacturer's instructions for proper attachment. Step 10, connecting the power supply. Plug the air conditioner into a nearby electrical outlet. Ensure the outlet can handle the electrical requirements. Step 11, testing the air conditioner. On the air conditioner and check for proper functioning. The settings and ensure effective cooling. Conclusion, congratulations, you have successfully installed your window air conditioner. Enjoy the comfort of a cool and refreshing environment. Additional tips, always refer to the manufacturer's instructions for your specific model. If unsure, consider hiring a professional VEC technician for installation. Regularly clean and maintain the air conditioner for optimal performance.